Welcome to Intelligence Gateway. Ripple. Ripple is a real-time gross settlement system, currency exchange, and remittance network that was launched in 2012 by Ripple Labs. The company's mission is to enable faster and more secure global financial transactions, particularly for cross-border payments. The Ripple network uses a digital currency called XRP, which is used to facilitate transactions between different currencies. The platform is designed to be faster and more efficient than traditional payment systems, with transaction confirmations taking just a few seconds. One of the key features of Ripple is its consensus algorithm, which is different from the proof-of-work and proof-of-stake algorithms used by other cryptocurrencies. The Ripple protocol uses a consensus algorithm called the Ripple Protocol Consensus Algorithm, RPCA, which allows for faster transaction processing and better scalability. In addition to XRP, Ripple has also developed a number of other products and services aimed at improving the speed and efficiency of global financial transactions. These include xCurrent, which enables banks to settle cross-border payments instantly, and xRapid, which uses XRP to provide on-demand liquidity for cross-border payments. Overall, Ripple has become a popular choice for banks and financial institutions looking to improve the efficiency of their payment systems. While the platform has faced some criticism and regulatory challenges over the years, it continues to be a major player in the cryptocurrency and fintech industries. Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is a cryptocurrency that was created in 2017 as a fork of the original Bitcoin blockchain. The main reason for creating Bitcoin Cash was to address some of the scaling issues that Bitcoin was experiencing, particularly with respect to transaction processing speed and fees. Bitcoin Cash uses a larger block size than Bitcoin, with an 8 megabytes block size limit, compared to Bitcoin's 1 megabyte limit. This allows for more transactions to be processed per block and helps to reduce transaction fees. Bitcoin Cash also has faster block times, with new blocks being created every 10 minutes, compared to Bitcoin's 10-minute block times. Another key feature of Bitcoin Cash is its commitment to decentralization and community governance. The Bitcoin Cash community operates on a principle of permissionless innovation, meaning that anyone can propose and implement changes to the protocol as long as they are supported by the community. Bitcoin Cash has faced some criticism and controversy over the years, particularly around its contentious hard fork in 2018, which led to the creation of Bitcoin SV. However, the cryptocurrency remains a popular alternative to Bitcoin and has a significant market capitalization and user base. Overall, Bitcoin Cash represents an attempt to address some of the scalability and usability issues that Bitcoin was facing, while maintaining the core principles of decentralization and community governance that underpin the cryptocurrency movement. Module 4: Cryptocurrency Investment. Risks and benefits of investing in cryptocurrencies. Investing in cryptocurrencies comes with both potential benefits and risks. Here are some of the key ones to consider. Benefits. 1. High potential returns. Cryptocurrencies are a relatively new and volatile asset class, which means that they have the potential to deliver high returns to investors who are willing to take on the risk. 2. Decentralized and borderless. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning that they are not controlled by any central authority like governments or banks. They are also borderless, allowing for seamless cross-border transactions without the need for intermediaries. 3. Diversification. Investing in cryptocurrencies can help diversify your investment portfolio, reducing your overall risk exposure. 4. Lower fees. Cryptocurrency transactions typically have lower fees than traditional financial transactions, making them an attractive option for certain types of transactions. Risks. 1. Volatility. Cryptocurrencies are notoriously volatile, with prices that can fluctuate rapidly and dramatically. This makes them a high-risk investment and unsuitable for investors who cannot tolerate significant swings in value. 2. Regulatory uncertainty. Cryptocurrencies are largely unregulated, which means that there is a risk that governments could introduce new regulations that could negatively impact the value of cryptocurrencies. 3. Cybersecurity risks. Cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets are vulnerable to hacking and other cyber attacks, which can result in the loss of funds. 4. Lack of liquidity. Some cryptocurrencies may have limited liquidity, meaning that it may be difficult to buy or sell them at certain times, particularly during periods of market stress. 5. Limited acceptance. While the acceptance of cryptocurrencies is growing, they are still not widely accepted as a form of payment, which can limit their usefulness as an investment. In conclusion, investing in cryptocurrencies can be a high-risk, high-reward proposition. It's important for investors to carefully consider their risk tolerance and to do their own research before investing in any cryptocurrency. Evaluating cryptocurrency investments. Evaluating cryptocurrency investments requires a careful consideration of a number of factors. Here are some key points to keep in mind. 1. Understand the underlying technology. Cryptocurrencies are built on blockchain technology, which can be complex and difficult to understand. It's important to have a basic understanding of how the technology works and what makes a particular cryptocurrency unique. 2. Conduct thorough research. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, it's important to do your own research and understand the market and the specific coin you are interested in. This includes analyzing its fundamentals, such as the team behind the project, its use cases, its market cap, its liquidity, and its adoption rate. 3. Consider market trends. The cryptocurrency market is notoriously volatile, with prices that can fluctuate rapidly and dramatically. It's important to consider market trends and investor sentiment when evaluating cryptocurrency investments. 4. Evaluate risk versus reward. As with any investment, it's important to evaluate the risk versus reward profile of a cryptocurrency investment. This means considering the potential returns as well as the potential risks, such as regulatory uncertainty, cybersecurity risks, and market volatility. 5. Diversify your portfolio. Cryptocurrency investments should be considered as part of a diversified investment portfolio. It's important to avoid putting all of your eggs in one basket and to spread your risk across multiple asset classes. 6. Consider taxes and legal implications. Cryptocurrency investments can have tax and legal implications, particularly if you are holding them for the long term. It's important to understand the tax and legal implications of your investments and to consult with a financial advisor if necessary. In summary, evaluating cryptocurrency investments requires a thorough understanding of the underlying technology, market trends, risk versus reward, and legal and tax implications. It's important to conduct thorough research and to carefully consider the risks and benefits of any investment before making a decision. Trading strategies and tactics. Cryptocurrency trading strategies and tactics vary depending on the individual trader's risk tolerance, investment goals, and trading style. Here are some common strategies and tactics that traders may use. 1. Day trading. Day trading involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies within the same day, with the aim of profiting from short-term price movements. Day traders typically use technical analysis to identify trends and trading opportunities. 2. Swing trading. Swing trading involves holding cryptocurrencies for a few days or weeks to take advantage of medium-term price movements. Swing traders may use both technical and fundamental analysis to identify potential trades. 3. Position trading. Position trading involves holding cryptocurrencies for an extended period of time, typically weeks or months, to capture long-term price movements. Position traders often use fundamental analysis to evaluate the long-term potential of a particular cryptocurrency. 4. HODL. HODL is a term used by cryptocurrency traders to describe holding a cryptocurrency for the long term, with the belief that it will increase in value over time. Hodlers typically do not actively trade their cryptocurrencies. 5. Dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the price of the cryptocurrency. This strategy can help reduce the impact of short-term price fluctuations on long-term investments. 6. Technical analysis. Technical analysis involves analyzing charts and using technical indicators to identify trading opportunities. Traders may use tools such as moving averages, trend lines, and chart patterns to evaluate the direction of price movements. 7. Fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis involves evaluating the underlying factors that affect the value of a particular cryptocurrency. This may include analyzing the team behind the project, its use cases, its market cap, its liquidity, and its adoption rate. In conclusion, there are many different cryptocurrency trading strategies and tactics that traders may use. It's important to consider your investment goals, risk tolerance, and trading style when selecting a strategy or combination of strategies that works best for you. Additionally, it's important to conduct thorough research and to carefully consider the risks and benefits of any investment before making a decision.